Hello, in this video we will learn how to UR to find the do the scatter plot for bivariate data set and find the linear regression line and also find the residual for this. So the question like this, but I'm not go through the question because it takes a long time. I just focus on how to UR to answer the three questions that I posed. Find the scatter plot, linear regression line, and find the residual. Okay. So at first, you see the code we have right here. So in order to plot, you have to prepare two set X and Y data. And in this question, they transfer the X here, the weight, into the string of data like this, and also for the Y, for the mileage. So we're gonna jump it in here. So you're gonna type here, you're gonna do X equals C, and then you copy this data set right here, and then you paste in here, and then you're gonna go for Y and equal C, and then you do this. So you have this here. Okay. So after we do this, then you're gonna plot. So plot X comma Y. So X will be the horizontal and then Y will be the vertical axis. So when you evaluate, you will see the plot, it come out like this here, right? And then you can easy to see which one match with this, you can do that. So I let you do that one for practice, but I'm gonna jump into the finding the linear regression, that means the best fitting line over here, right? So if the plot, we do X go first, order pair will be XY, and then linear regression model, you're gonna go Y first because Y is the equation depend on the variable X. So you're gonna use the tilde X right here, right? So when you do like this, you will have the equation. It look like they give you the plot and they give you the equation have right here as well. As you have those two things, yeah, you have that. Okay. So when you see the answer is right here, same thing like this is 68.8 and then minus 0.0189x right here. So when you do that, you will see the answer. It look like the equation right here. So we have the equation would be y, and then you're gonna have over the equation would be y hat because you estimate, and then you have the 60 the answer right here, 68.08 for 17. It's gonna be right here. Yeah, see like this. Yes. And also this one would be right here. So they routed it to decimal. So -2 something x right here. You will see the same answer you see right here. Yeah, negative. Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna do the third part is to find the residual, right? So residual is we're gonna give the name for this linear equation, and then from that, they will find out the they will find the residual for that one. So I give you this one module right here, model equal to that one, and then we're gonna have the function residual call on the other one. So we cannot have over here. You can copy this code right here, right? This is the one the code right here, the residual. This is the name of the function, and what function is used. This one right here, the function will be the residual model. So that means it can find the difference between the guessing value and the real data right here. Will be that part. So when you do this one, you will see the answer is right here. Right, this one have the plot right here for you. So what it does right here is nothing that you see on this one here. So we have this number 1. That means for this value right here, 2750, this will be right here. And this one will be number 2. So right here, right, the value. So number 2, the residue, number 2 right here, the residue, number 3 will be right here, and so on. Yeah. So depend on which one you have. Let's say they find the residue of this pair right here, 35, 28, and you count over here 2, 4, 5, 6, I'm sorry, 28, right, 35, 28 right here. 2, 4, 6. So you're going to look in here, you look at the 6 number. So this will be the residue for this value right here, this pair. Yeah. So let's go to the question below right here. They ask for the residue of this one would be right here, right? 4,000, and the value y would be 23.1. So you're going to look in for a 4,000. That 4,000, they have several numbers. So this one that you don't want to. You want the one that they introduce in there that they have here. 4,721.23.1, like this number right here. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So you're looking for the 9 value. So this would be the number, the residue that have negative 1.4922. That's what you have right there. Okay. Yeah, negative 1.922. So you have this one right here. Yeah. So that's how you find the value of the residue. I hope it helped. You can go down below, find the question here, and then do all the part in here. But I show you how you are to get the number. Because the lesson is the video long, so that I can cut it short into the part. But you can find the other part in the textbook.